Today I'll be making a simple yet tasty onion pie. Why? Because, well, I wanted to do something with baking and pastry, so here's something, well, interesting. So you're gonna need a bowl and you're gonna add 250 grams of flour, and after you do that you need to make like a hole in the middle because that's where all the rest of the ingredients will go, such as cracking one egg, and and 1 tablespoon of salt, and about 175 grams of butter, which I said everything in like advance, but who cares. After you put the butter inside the flour mixture, then you wanna mix it all up and start kneading to make a nice dough using your hands. You can also add a bit of water in between so the dough doesn't end up, so the flour doesn't end up runny, so you can form it into a dough. Once it ends up into a dough, then you wanna, after a while, you wanna start rolling the dough like this, and you wanna carefully take a pan and coat it in like butter, all of it, and then you wanna form the dough into this shape right here. Also, you want to pinch the sides with your fingers so it can look nice, and it doesn't so the onion mixture won't spill everywhere. So on high heat, add the pan and with some oil. You can use olive oil, regular sunflower oil, doesn't matter, whatever you want. And then just take 3 or 4 spring onions, and you want to fry them till they become a bit soft. You can also use regular onions. Then you have to fry them till they become golden brown. But this time you can actually use them till they become soft. Inside another bowl, take 2 eggs and you wanna whisk them. Nothing fancy, just whisk 2 eggs. After that, just add the eggs into the onions, and you wanna fry them for a bit. Just don't over fry them, otherwise you'll just fry the eggs and you'll make a nice scrambled eggs. In the meanwhile, also add 1 cup of milk, just in case. After you add the milk, then just stir it around and pour it inside the middle of the dough mixture, and then just bake it for 40 minutes on a preheated oven for about 40 minutes. And what you'll end up is with a nice pie, a nice onion pie to be the exact. It's thin, it tastes nice, and it's pretty awesome in the end. So yeah,